Looking for an action camera that won't break the bank but still delivers amazing performance? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best budget action cameras of 2024. From crystal clear 4K video to rugged, waterproof designs, these cameras give you everything you need to capture your wildest adventures without the hefty price tag. Whether you're into surfing, hiking, or vlogging, we've got you covered with the best budget-friendly options on the market. Stay tuned as we explore each one and help you find the perfect camera to fit your needs. Starting off at number 5 is the Apexcam action camera. With 4K Ultra HD video quality and a 20MP resolution, this camera is perfect for shooting stunning action shots, whether you're surfing, hiking, or biking. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you capture more of the action, giving you an immersive perspective. Plus, it's waterproof up to 40 meters, which means it's ready for any water adventure, from snorkeling to swimming with dolphins. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily control your footage and share it on the go. The 2.4G remote control adds an extra layer of convenience, letting you snap photos and start recording with just a click. 2 batteries ensure you can keep filming longer, while the 2.0-inch LCD screen lets you preview shots effortlessly. With a complete set of mounting accessories, the Apexcam action camera offers versatility, ensuring you can mount it anywhere, on a helmet, bike, or surfboard. If you're looking for an affordable action camera that doesn't skimp on performance, the Apexcam 4K is an excellent choice for 2024. Stick around to see what other top budget-friendly action cameras made the list. Next up, at number 4, we have the Insta360 GO 3S, a tiny powerhouse that takes portable action cameras to a whole new level. If you're all about capturing the action without bulky gear, this camera is a game changer. The Insta360 GO 3S offers stunning 4K video resolution, delivering smooth, high-quality footage that will impress any vlogger or adventure enthusiast. What sets this camera apart is its compact size. It's incredibly small and lightweight, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Whether you're filming on a mountain hike or doing a hand-free POV shot, this camera is designed for versatility. With hand-free POVs, you can mount it just about anywhere, including your bike, helmet, or even your pet, for an entirely new perspective. The 140-minute battery life ensures you'll have plenty of power for long adventures, and it's waterproof up to 10 meters, so it can handle any water-related activities, whether you're kayaking, swimming, or just playing in the rain. And don't worry about shaky footage. Thanks to Insta360's advanced stabilization technology, your shots will always look smooth, even in the most intense action sequences. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, the Insta360 GO 3S is a top contender for anyone seeking a portable, hands-free action camera for their next adventure. Stay tuned to find out which camera takes the top spot. Coming in at number 3, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black, a true game changer in the action camera world. Known for its reliability and performance, the Hero 9 Black offers 5K Ultra HD video quality, making it perfect for capturing every detail in stunning clarity. Whether you're shooting action-packed sports or capturing scenic landscapes, the 5K video ensures your footage is as sharp as it gets. With a 20MP photo capability, you can also snap high-quality stills, ensuring that every moment is perfectly captured. Plus, the front LCD screen allows you to easily frame your shots, while the touch rear screen makes navigation and adjustments effortless, even when you're on the go. One of the most impressive features of the Hero 9 Black is its advanced stabilization technology. Whether you're running, biking, or even skiing, this camera smooths out your footage, so your videos look professional no matter the conditions. And with 1080p live streaming and the ability to use the camera as a webcam, the GoPro Hero 9 Black offers unparalleled versatility. As with all GoPro cameras, the Hero 9 Black is fully waterproof, making it perfect for underwater adventures. With these powerful features packed into a compact, rugged design, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is a fantastic choice for those seeking a high-performing action camera without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for the top contender. At number 2, we have the DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo, a powerhouse that combines top-tier performance with rugged durability. This camera records 4K video, ensuring crisp, vibrant footage whether you're hiking, biking, or diving. The DJI Osmo Action 3 excels at stabilization, providing smooth, shake-free footage even in the most extreme action-packed scenarios. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this camera is cold-resistant and waterproof, making it the perfect companion for a variety of environments, from snowy mountain peaks to underwater adventures. With the included chest and backpack strap mounts, you can easily capture immersive, hands-free footage, no matter where your adventure takes you. One standout feature of the Osmo Action 3 is its incredible battery life. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy up to 320 minutes of recording time, allowing you to capture more without worrying about running out of juice during your adventure. Whether you're capturing high-speed sports, scenic landscapes, or action-packed travel moments, this camera's impressive battery life and ultra-durable build make it a top choice for any outdoor enthusiast. For a high-performance action camera that delivers exceptional value, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is hard to beat. Stay tuned to see which camera claims the top spot. Taking the top spot is the AKASO Brave 7LE 4K 30fps action camera, the ultimate budget-friendly option for those who want exceptional performance without breaking the bank. This 4K action camera captures stunning, ultra-clear video at 30fps and boasts a 20MP camera, delivering sharp photos with vibrant colors. Whether you're filming your outdoor adventures or capturing family moments, the Brave 7LE provides amazing quality. Equipped with electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0, this camera ensures smooth footage, even in the most high-intensity activities. Say goodbye to shaky, unusable shots. With a 131-foot underwater rating, it's the ideal camera for swimming, snorkeling, or diving, providing crisp, clear visuals underwater. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily control your camera remotely with the included zoom remote, perfect for self-filming or capturing hard-to-reach shots. The Brave 7LE comes with 2 1,350 mAh batteries, giving you plenty of shooting time for long adventures. It also supports an external microphone, making it a fantastic option for vloggers and content creators who need high-quality audio. With its intuitive touch screen, long battery life, and comprehensive accessory kit, the AKASO Brave 7LE is perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance action camera. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, this camera delivers it all, at an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching. If you found your next action camera, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Catch you in the next one, and happy filming!